Hello guys, my name's Owen and I'll be going over the Sebastian's portfolio for ANS 280. Um, some of the questions that I'll be answering is, does the artist generally understand the requirement of the project? How effectively has the artist used the elements or principles of design, photography to compose the images? Are there particular images with the portfolio that stand out as the best and why? Are there particular images within the portfolio that stand out as weak or need improvement, and why? And what things could the artist do to improve the images? So the first thing I'll be going over is, did Sebastian understand the assignment? So the rubric does state that we need 40 plus pictures, and as you can see, there are not 40 plus pictures. There are roughly 20 to 25 pictures that Sebastian has posted. So he obviously didn't understand that portion of the assignment, but in terms of photos he has taken, the photos are pretty good. I'm not a very good photographer and I don't have a keen eye for visual images or anything in that nature, but from what I can see, the pictures, I generally like them. To answer the second question, how effectively has the artist used the elements and principles of design, photography to compose images? Well, from what I've learned from the readings, he uses a lot of the rule of thirds, so the images are split into three separate parts, such as in this picture with this bird sitting on the house. You can see the bird in one part, and then the blue sky and another blue sky, and the other part, and you can really just divide it and see what's going on. In another part, in another image, you can see a rule of thirds, such as this picture of this mushroom or fungus plant, which is what I'm looking at. In one part, there's just grass and mulch, and in the middle column, there would be the fungus, and it kind of looks like it is edited in this picture with the drops of dew or rain, whatever this could be, but that would be in the third portion of it. The third question I'll be going over is, are there particular images in the portfolio that stand out as the best and why? I think this is a very subjective question. I do like animals, so my favorite picture is actually this squirrel. I just think it's a really cool image that the squirrel is just standing up on its hind legs, not really paying attention. My second favorite image is this butterfly. I just think this is a really great picture, and monarch butterflies are very cool looking. But also, aside from that, I think this water image is very good, and if you just cut out the water dripping into the actual sink, that it would just be a very cool image in general. The next question is, are there particular images in the portfolio that stand out as weak and why? In particular, this picture with trees and what it seems to be like a body of water in the background, I just think this image has a lot of volume and there's a lot going on. And for the last question, what things could this artist do to improve the images? I think that he could have used the blank mind, or state of mind that we talked about earlier. From some of the readings, it kind of looks like he planned a nature walk and just took pictures of all of the plants and things in his site, as well as when he was in his first starting out with this assignment, and he took pictures of just things in his general everyday life, such as this picture of this dog. Here he is at one of the UK campus dining halls. So I think he could just have more of a blank state and just look for things generally without a subjective goal to just take images. Alright, that's my review. Thank you.